Where is it? Hey girlfriend. Have you seen my cheese around here? So, do you have my cheese, isn't it? I know you had it all along. Tasty. Well, that was sneaky of you, girlfriend. Better luck next time.